you. So today we will discuss about in the MS Excel the text orientation. The next topic is adding borders, wrap text, changing the column width, charts and its types. Okay. So there are we have the number of chart that can be used. The 11 number of chart so that can be used in the MS Excel to find out the calculation, how is it performing, how is it coming, what is the ratio of that. So everything we can make it. For example, the bar chart, column chart, line chart, area chart, pie chart, surface chart, Jugnet chart, radar chart, stroke chart, bubble chart and scatter chart. So they are the 11 chart. After that, the components of a chart, we will discuss on that. And to creating a chart, we will also create a chart. And next thing is how to move and delete the chart and the numbers, the data in the chart section. So let's discuss the first thing in the MS Excel. Okay, so here we will discuss the first topic is called the text orientation. Suppose we want to add the text. So here you can see whenever I am just typing the text, this is also the option is for wrap text. Okay. Here I am writing it. Okay, I have written it here the name. But you think that in your document, in your Excel sheet, you want it should be done up and down, top to bottom. Here is you can see right to left to right. Okay, here you can see left right the combination. Okay, but you think that it should be come into the up top and bottom section. So how we can do that? You can go to the wrap text and here you can find out. So whenever we will click on the rotate to the text to the down, you will see it will just change to the text orientation. Okay. Suppose you want that it should be in that form, it should be in the 60-degree form. So then we will click on that. Okay, here you can see that the angle counted clockwise. So here you can see that. Okay. So whatever we want to do with that text, then we can do with that. Okay. This is called the orientation of the text. Next one is using the orientation button. Okay. So this one is the orientation button. You can use it according to you, whatever you want to do that, and what you want to do with that, you can do with that. So if you want to format the cell alignment, you can use it here also. Here is the text option. Okay, you can just change the direction of the text according to you. Okay, so whatever you do with that, you can also hit here indent the font, the border. You can change the border of that box, which box you have been selected. So you can do whatever you want to do with that, you can do that. Next one is, suppose here you can see that the text is without border. But you have seen the data are coming in the tables mode. वो table mode में होता है. How we can do that in the Excel sheet? Understand? So first we have to select this one. Then here we can see that the border box. This is called the borders. So if you want to give a particular border to the cell of any cell, okay, किसी भी सेल को अगर if you want to provide the border, then you have to select from these options. Yeah, come in. So here we can see that the borders are here. So the first one is bottom border. So suppose you want that I don't want to be put the border on the whole side. Means from the left, right, top and bottom. In the fourth side, I don't want to be put the border in all sides. I want to be put the border only the bottom. So here is the four option: bottom, top, left, right. Only these options you can use according to you. Understand? Now the next thing is no border. Suppose you have filled by mistakenly any borders to that cell. How we can do that? How we can erase that? Because options are not here to erase that things. In MS Word you can find out that option. Eraser. Okay. But in that option is available, but don't we go there. Go to that place. Only we can do at here only. So you will just click onto the no border. So select the particular areas where you don't want to be put any border to that cell. Okay. And then click onto the no border and you will see the border will remove. Next thing, all borders. All borders, I think you all understand about that. What is the meaning of that? Means if you want to put the borders to the whole areas. Means top, bottom, right, left. All four areas. So then click onto the all borders. Next one is outside border. Suppose I have selected so in that you have to select the particular areas, and when you want to only see this whichever I have selected, which lines I have already selected, if you will use this box, this one, outside border. If I click on that, you will see only outside border will be present at there. Okay. Okay, now the next thing is, here you want to see the thick box border. Means its size, if we are comparing to these one, its size is just thoda sa bada hoga. Okay, it's just greater than these size. So we can select it and then you will see that box. Okay, so that these types of borders we can apply to that are cells. Wrap text, I have already told you about this option. This is the wrap text, so you can just change the direction of the text. Okay, this is a rotating text. This is not a wrap text. Suppose I am just writing it here. Let me type something. Okay, I have write this line. The school is not open today. Okay, but here you can see, if I click on that one, if I am just writing it here, other things, so you will see this one is now closed. Only you can see that the SVS, not L also you cannot see. How we can do that? You have to click on this one and click onto this one. Okay. Here is the wrap text. So when you will click on that, it will change the size of the text according to your need. Okay, it will just wrap the text to that cell. मतलब उसको उसी लाइन में ऊपर नीचे करके उसको adjust कर देगा. Then you will see your text, whole text in that box. This is the use of that wrap text. Okay, now changing the column width. Suppose here we have seen the wrap text. If I close it, now if I want to increase the column width, how I can perform that? First you have to come at here and you will see when this option will come, ये एक two side arrow and two side is single line. So you just only double click on that. Simply double click and you will see the column width change. This is the first option. Next option is you have to select that one and click onto the format. And here you can see the row height and the column width. Here you can see that numbers. Okay, suppose I will just change that 28. So next thing, if you will just go into the format and you will see the column width, you will see the 28. So same thing we can do with that Excel in the row height and the column width also. Okay, so that is the second option for that. First option is this one. Second option is that I have told you कि when the cursor is moved to that section, it will change to this option. Then you can just double click on that, and then it will वो उसके size को increase कर देगा. Next thing is chart. How we can perform the task? Let me create a table. I'm making a list. Is there anyone who are Pune? Harsh. Spelling mistake हो जाए तो don't worry. Okay. So I'm using these four names. Okay. So let me create a table for these students. I'm just creating a table. Section I need to include. Okay, I have created this. Okay, I'm using only these options. Now, the next thing is we have to insert the chart. So let me first select the column chart. So I want it should be, these are the option, what option you want to use, what types of chart and what types of dimension you want to use. मतलब किस तरीके का design you want for that chart. रहेंगे सब column charting. So don't we think कि इसका picture अलग है उसका अलग है. Okay, suppose I am selecting this one. Okay, so let me just. Now the next thing is just select the data. Select the data. From where I can select the data, you have to put it at this side and select this one. And click OK. Now you will see Art, Hindi, English, Math. Devans, Hertz, Mayan, Nikhil. So here is the chart. Now, if you want to change the view of the chart layout, so you can click on that and you can come to that option. Okay. Change chart type. Column, simple one. Okay. Here you can see that. The options. Okay. So here we can make the chart according to that numbers. So if you will increase the numbers, let me increase them. Okay. Suppose if I just okay, मैं इंग्लिश में क्या कर देता हूँ उसको 46 की जगह if I change to 86. You will see. This shall automatically increase. This red one, English one. Suppose here is the green. Hers is in the green box. Hindi. You got that 849. If I will close it to 99, so it will increase that. Okay, if I'll just increase the subject, and I'm just including that.
Computer.
SST. Okay, but it will not come. Why? Because, give me a time. Why is it not coming? The reason behind is we have not selected that data.
Yes, sir.
We have to select that data also. Okay. Select the data, and here you can see that option. You will go to this area and then click OK, and you will see now. All the subjects will come at here. It will change the color of the text. Suppose you want it should be come into the change the chart type. Click on that line chart, this one, and OK. You will see that 40 से नीचे कोई नहीं है. Nobody scored less than 40, and nobody scored 100 से ऊपर above 100. ठीक है. So the average is 80 to 90. Only two in English, Nikhil Evans scored between 60 to 40, and here is that, who is that? SST. Devas scored in SST below 60 and up to the 40 and 60 के बीच में उसने scored किया है. Now, if you will change that direction also, you can click onto there. Here you can change the color. Suppose I want that area chart, scatter chart, stroke chart, surface, bubble, radar. Suppose I will just click on the pie chart. This one. So now you will see that. Okay? Subject wise. This one is for subject wise. किसने कितना score high किया है? Okay. So here we can only just select the two types of data. Here you can find out the percentage. Who scored the greater in the math? किसका average है marks? So pie chart is not related to the exam. It is only for that through comparing the values. So you can select the area chart, and here we can select this one, and you will see. Here the number will also be present. If you want to change the color of that, you can change the color. Okay, you can find out. Let's have a different color. It is also different. It is also different. But here we can't see the clearly. The views are not clearly. So you can change the view of that. Okay. So everything, whatever you want to do there. Chalo. Next chart is the bubble chart. Okay. Let's perform these ones. Okay, here you can see that. So bubbles are there. Okay. Next thing is a radar chart. So it will show you that like this. So these charts are used by the different calculation, different performance. Okay. So if we are talking about numbers, then this one is only for okay for the bar chart, or next the one more is there, that is called the bar chart and the column chart. So here you can find out. Okay, here you can see that who's scored a well if we are comparing to the all and in all subjects. There is a 99, 96, 97. Okay. So this is the work of the chart. Now the next thing is, let me change this to the view of that. Then we will discuss about the component of the chart. Okay, so first one is chart area. Chart area, this one, this wide area, called that chart area. Next one is the category axis or x-axis. Category axis means which categories we are using. What is the categories? These are the categories. The students of the name. And these marks. ये कैटेगरी है हमारी, 4 कैटेगरीज हैं, 4 स्टूडेंट्स के नेम है, दिस कॉल्ड द कैटेगरी एक्सेस. नेक्स्ट वन इज द वैल्यू एक्सेस. वैल्यू मींस वी आर कंपेयरिंग टू द these values, the values, this one. Okay, so these are the value axis. Next one is the data series. Okay, that is the data series. Data means these charts, जो हम ये चार्ट बने हुए हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड द डेटा सीरीज. किस सीरीज में वो डेटा हमारा चल रहा है. नेक्स्ट वन इज द कैटेगरी नेम. दिस वन इज, अगर हम यहाँ पे कुछ इनको पर्टिकुलर नेम दे देते तो दैट इट विल बी शोड एट हियर, मार्क्स दे देंगे. ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द कैटेगरी नेम. नेक्स्ट वन इज द प्लॉट एरिया. प्लॉट एरिया मींस these are the lines. ये जो हमने लाइंस बनी हुई है, ड्रॉ की है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्लॉट एरिया. जैसे प्लॉट में यू हैव मेड द होम्स, कि प्लॉट परचेज कर लिया हमने, होता है ना, 60 गज का, 100 गज का, यू हैव परचेज द प्लॉट. So on that plot you will make your home. So same thing, this is a plot and here we are making that our chart. Next one is the legend. Legend means these are the legend means what we are making, for what we are making the chart. किसके लिए हम बना रहे हैं? हम बना रहे हैं subjects के लिए. This is called the legend. Next one is chart title. So here you can put the chart title or here you can put the chart title. Okay, that is according to us. Next one is the grid lines. Grid line means ये वाली जो लाइनें हैं, ये these are called the grid lines. Understand? Yes, sir. Next one is creating a chart. We have already created a chart. Yes, sir. So I think there is no confusion about that. Now the next thing is moving and resizing and deleting a chart in the Excel. So we will perform it on tomorrow. And let's discuss about the other things also, the chart. Okay. So is there any confusion about any topic?
No, sir.